And we're gonna unbox the YHT Auto fender flares for the Ford F350. Look like the back. These will probably be the front. Hardware. Maybe a little dark. Let's get out here. That's full of the little fake hardware pieces that go in there. Well, that sucks. Thought they were all going to be individually cut already, but this is the rubber that goes around the edge. Huh. I went with the smooth. I didn't want to go with the rough ones in case I want to paint match them. I didn't want to have to sand them and all that stuff. See how these holes are empty? That's where these come in. So go ahead and go through it and put all those on. So here's how they look once you put the little fake hardware in there. Looks pretty good. So these are focus T45s, and the nuts in the back are 13s, and I put the washers in the back because there's no really any need to put the washer on the front. The head of the bolt is good enough. So it took about 10 minutes, so I didn't do this one yet. It's really not that hard. It's a little time consuming, but if you get your drill and your wrench set up, you'll be all right. So with this, I just start at the front, work my way to the back. Or I mean, I start at the back, work my way to the front. I didn't go all the way to this piece here, I just started here in the corner. That piece goes under the truck anyway, so it doesn't matter. gonna start on the front. Pull about 2 inches back. Get it all wiped down with some alcohol first. Kind of help it stick. Pull about 2 inches back. Get it on there. Set pretty good. And then I just keep working it down, and then I'll pull a little bit of the red tag part off. This part is the pain in the butt. See that? So I'll get past probably 2 of those bolts, and then I'll pull it on through, press it in, and then keep working my way down. Don't really know if you can see what I was just doing here, but let's see. I can reset you up here. Let's see what exactly what I'm doing. Kind of have it on an angle and roll it over. Seems to work better. Stick your finger in the middle of it, kind of separate it while you roll it over. So get the tool, pull it off, smash it in, keep going. If you care about scratching these up or kind of marring them up on this, you put a blanket or something down. I don't really care that much because I'm gonna probably have them painted or wrap them or something. They're not gonna stay like this. All right, make it past 2. Go ahead and pull that through. Press it down, keep working your way around. Once you get to the end, simply cut it with some scissors. We'll do the rest and then I'll get back. Alright, so on the front, pretty simple. There's 3 holes in the fender flare. One here, one here, one here. And there's 3 factory, I'm missing one here. One here and one there. And you're supposed to use the factory bolts that come in there already for the front. And those are 7/32 socket. I guess for that front one, I'm gonna have to put a self-tap or something in there. Just drop the socket. So I only got the one bottom screw holding in here. Get it started, you're gonna have to look in and push the fender flare in towards the truck and find that hole. Assuming you're gonna have to do the same. See how it's got a lot of flex in it? Same thing for that one, you're gonna have to kind of push it up and forward to find it. And my last one here. Really don't even know how I'm gonna find it. This one just fell out, so. And that's my uncle just pulled up. Alright, so I gotta get a self-tap or something for that front one, but that's the front. Okay, so for the back, you got 4 locations. Let's see. Instructions give you 4 locations. And they come with these little tab spots. Supposed to put on your paint. I guess it's supposed to save your paint if you don't want to put these on there and slide them across, but it's really not going to do much. But you're supposed to use these here as your anchors. Those are the screws you're supposed to use. That's got 4 holes in them all the way through. You got 1 factory hole supposed to be at the back, but I don't see it, so you ain't gonna worry about it. Alright, so got them on, and those little clips clip inside. So this one wasn't really matching up. It would have had the fender sitting out, so I re-drilled that hole. And this one up here, I had to re-drill the hole on the bed, so you will have to do some modification on some of these. And so that clip worked, and the instructions say the factory bolt is here. Factory bolt is actually here, which is part of the arm here that holds the gives the bed some stability. So, and yes, I got a ton of rust under there. I know, that's why I didn't fix this rust, because I'm gonna just do away with this bed at some point. But that's how they are. Pretty decent product. It would be nicer if those holes just matched up, or if they provided some stainless steel self-tappers that can go right in there. It'd be a whole lot quicker, but I like them. So next step will be probably the headlights and grill, and then once these tires, the tread wears away on these tires, and I'm gonna get new wheels and tires for the truck. There they are. Thanks for watching.